Oh, the joy of changing these. There's the old, and I'll show you the problem that's going on. It's leaking, so it's flushed, and you can see the leakage right here. See that right there? See that? See how the water? I stopped it, but then it keeps going. That's the leakage. Okay, I replaced it. All I did was take those two things down there off. You pull up on both sides and the water will go down, and I unchained it and I counted up four links. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is where this was attached. So you gotta get that off here. It's down in here and you pull it through there. It's not tough. You got it. You got this. And then this part, it's filthy, but hopefully it's far enough up. But now, I mean, I'm gonna keep this just in case this doesn't work, and just save it somewhere. Save it somewhere, and hopefully you never have to use it ever again. But now it doesn't. Well, maybe it does. See, you never fix problems. They just keep happening. I thought I fixed it. It's better though. Alright. Okay, the chain's not far enough down, so I gotta adjust it. Okay, I adjust the chain to where it's 12 holes up. 12 holes up from the end. And it's filling up. Look how clean this looks. Fill up, and it stops. Will you stop? Will it stop? Will it stop? Tell me, will you stop? Will you stop? Don't know what that is. Just, I need a new seat. Hey, it stopped. Yay. Will you stop, Mr. Toilet? Stop. Stop with your nonsense. I think it stopped. There's a, see that water droplet? It's going down. Oh, it made it. And it didn't stop. Come on. Okay, it made a burping sound. So it actually stopped. Oh, except for right there.